Want to make a good-looking MMD video, but your PC can't handle Ray MMD? In this video, I'll show you how I turn this into this, using 10 easy-to-use MMD effects. Now, let's get started. First, let's enhance the scene with a dreamy, cinematic look. Go to Accessory Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, then to your Diffusion 7 folder, and select Diffusion.x. Next, let's add Screen Space Ambient Occlusion to enhance the scene's shadows and depth. Go to Accessory Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, open the HGSAO V2 folder, and select HGSAO.x. Then, go to Accessory Manipulation again, click Load, open the HGSSAO V3 folder, and select HGSSAO.x. Set SI to 0.5 and click Register. Now, let's turn on the stage's light. Go to Accessory Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, open the Autoluminous 4 folder, and select Autoluminous.x. Next, let's further improve the overall color tone and atmosphere by adding Dendewa's effects. Go to Accessory Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, open the Dendewa effect folder, then go to the DDLL 2.4 folder, then the Luminance folder, then the Alt Process folder, and select IKClut.x. Then, go to Accessory Manipulation again, click Load, open the RGB folder inside DDLL 2.4 folder, then the DD Color folder, and select IKClut.x. Now, let's make the floor reflective. Go to Accessory Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, open the Working Floor X V6 folder, and select Working Floor X.x. Set its size to 3, and its transparency to 0.5, then click Register. Next, let's refine the model's shadows to make them look more natural. Go to Accessory Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, open the Excellent Shadow 2 folder, and select Excellent Shadow.x. Then, go to MME, click Effect Mapping, and in the Main tab, select the model. Right-click it, then click Set Effect. In the Excellent Shadow 2 folder, select Full ES.fx. Now, let's improve the texture of some parts of the model. First, let's make the shoes shiny. In MME, right-click the model and select Subset Extract. Select the shoes, right-click, then click Set Effect. Go to your Effects folder, open the Supershine folder, and select Supershine.fx. Next, double-click the outfit, go to your Effects folder, open the Adult Shader folder, and select Adult Shader S2.fx. Click OK to save the changes. Finally, let's add lighting to the scene. Go to Model Manipulation, click Load, navigate to your Effects folder, open the HG Spotlight V1 folder, and select HGSpotlight.pmx. Then, deselect the Select button in Bone Manipulation. Before moving the light source, let's configure its parameters first. Set the light volume to 0.4, then click Register. Set the light distance to 0.4, then click Register. Set the spot direction to 0.6, then click Register. Set the spot gradation to 0.7, then click Register. Set the ambient to 0.2, then click Register. Lastly, set red, green, and blue to 0.2, then click Register for each change. Now, let's move the light source using the XYZ rollers. Set the Y-axis to around 15.5, the X-axis to -15.5, and rotate it to point at the model by adjusting the Y-axis rotation to around -125.5 degrees. Click Register in Bone Manipulation to save the changes. Here's what it looks like when you add motion and render the scene. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.